Nothing ruins a gaming session faster than constant stuttering and delays while playing Roblox on your PlayStation 5. Lag can make movement feel sluggish and affect the overall experience, especially in busy multiplayer games. The good news is that performance issues are often caused by temporary network conditions or system related factors rather than the game itself. In many situations, Roblox lag on PS5 can be improved with a few simple adjustments. Before assuming the servers are permanently overloaded or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and enjoy smoother gameplay. 1. Restart your PS5 and power cycle your modem or router to refresh the connection. 2. Close any background applications and launch Roblox with no other games running. 3. Verify that both the PS5 software and Roblox application are updated to the latest versions. 4. Use a stable network connection and consider moving closer to the Wi Fi router or using Ethernet. 5. Rejoin the game and check whether movement and loading times have improved.